Not all picnic tables are equal. The designs may look similar, but the materials and construction vary a lot. Here we are comparing a Pilot Rock WXT series picnic table with universal access and a competitor's copy. Picnic tables may look the same, but there can be big differences in how they are built. Here we are comparing the durability of the expanded steel top and seat structures on a Pilot Rock table versus a competitor's lookalike. This man weighs 210 pounds. The other brand picnic table may look similar, but it is made using lighter weight and lesser materials. As you can see, the cheaper picnic table has a weaker design structure that can't hold up to even minor vandalism. Picnic tables are misused and vandalized in public parks and campgrounds. It is not uncommon for kids and adults to climb on and jump on them. A lesser picnic table will be damaged more quickly, so it will have to be replaced at extra expense to you. At R.J. Thomas Manufacturing, we design for the abuse that picnic tables suffer from both man and nature. We design and manufacture to meet a high-performance standard. A Pilot Rock brand table will serve your parks and campgrounds longer with less repair costs. R.J. Thomas Manufacturing Company has over 60 years of manufacturing experience, serving public parks and campgrounds at the city, county, state, and federal levels. We design our products to withstand the use and abuse of constant exposure to the public and elements.